There isn't a confirmed or published 2026 Volvo Limousine truck motorhome with a jacuzzi. Impressive comfort and facilities are available in Volvo's most recent luxury motorhomes, particularly the 2026 Volvo VNL series. Comfort and luxury within. By improving driver comfort and convenience, the 2026 Volvo VNL series creates a home away from home. Important characteristics. Reclining bunk. For driver comfort, the majority of VNL models come with a first-in-class mattress. With its foldable bunk that clamps to the back wall, the versatile dinette provides plenty of room for lounging or working. Volvo's parking cooler, a battery-operated cooling system, reduces noise and pollution at night by managing the climate without the engine running. Cutting-edge infotainment, a 15-inch touchscreen for effortless interaction with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Personalization and facilities. Although a built-in jacuzzi is not a typical feature, Volvo RVs provide a great deal of customization. Full bathroom, convenient sink, toilet, and shower. Gourmet kitchen. For all culinary requirements, there is an induction stove, microwave, refrigerator, and freezer. Entertainment systems. Living is improved by large-screen TVs and top-notch audio systems. Luxurious finishes. A premium cabin experience is produced with solid surface counters and leather upholstery. Performance and sustainability. Sustainability and performance are given top priority in the 2026 Volvo RVs. Powertrain options, up to 450 horsepower and 700 lb-ft of torque, either hybrid or fully electric. Range. Electric vehicles can go 250 to 400 miles between charges, and they can fast charge to 80% capacity in 45 minutes. A safe driving experience is provided by cutting-edge safety systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, and collision avoidance. In conclusion, although there isn't a 2026 Volvo Limousine truck motorhome with a jacuzzi, the newest models provide unparalleled style, comfort, and personalization. Jacuzzi aftermarket customization may be available from specialized RV conversion companies.